This is Redmi Note 9 and today I am going to show you guys Redmi Note 9 details camera review. I am Shada from SHADAT'S, so let's start the video. Redmi Note 9 come with quad camera setup. First one 48 megapixel 1.8 aperture 26mm wide. Second 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture ultra wide. Third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro camera. And fourth 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. Redmi Note 9 you can record highest 720p 120fps slow-mo video. By the way, you also edit the slow-mo video on your Redmi Note 9. Redmi Note 9 main camera you can record highest 1080 30fps video. Okay, this is all about Redmi Note 9 camera review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.